Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will explain Hostinger Horizon subscription. For example, like how to manage your plan or understand it easily. So first, let's log in to my Hostinger account. Let's go to websites, then websites list to get the list of all websites and web apps inside my web hosting plan. By default, if you only have web hosting with Hostinger, you will get the ability to use the Hostinger Horizons for free. The Hostinger Horizons free plan gives you a limit of 5 messages per day. So you can ask Hostinger Horizons up to 5 requests or messages per day. When you reach this limitation, you just wait another 24 hours to be able to ask it another 5 messages. And to upgrade your free plan, it's simple. Just click on this upgrade link. From this page, you can see all the available Hostinger Horizons plans that you can upgrade to. In my case, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain. Also, SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. In my case, my current plan is already the Explorer. So I have 50 messages per month and I can upgrade to 100 messages per month, 250 or up to 500 messages per month for this price. All plans comes with 30-day money back guarantee and 24/7 customer support. Let's go back to the Hostinger Horizons page. And if you buy a Horizons plan for 1 month, create your app and then cancel the plan, because your published web app will still work as long as your hosting plan stays active. After your Horizons subscription ends, you'll be moved to the free plan, which lets you send up to 5 messages per day to keep updating your web app if needed. So that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and see you in the next video.